In this video, I would like to show you how to initiate a DBS check. First, you need to log in using your admin user credentials. You agree the terms and conditions, and you would need to go to Manage Applications, Create New Application option. Then you will have to select the type of DBS check you would like to process. If you are processing an enhanced or a standard DBS check, you need to click on the DBS check option. If you are looking to process a basic DBS check, you have to choose the other DBS basic check option. In this video, I will select to process an enhanced DBS check. To initiate the DBS application, you will have to fill out this form, entering your candidate's first name. Do not include middle names, please, otherwise they will show as first names on the DBS certificate. Please make sure that you enter the name as it shows on the candidate's passport. You will have to create a username for them. And you will have to create a password for them. The system can generate the username and password for you, but you might find it easier to use one set of username format and probably the same password for all of your candidates, especially if you are filling out their DBS application form on their behalf. The username must always be unique, but you can always use the same password and email address. In the email address box, you will have to enter your candidate's email address where the DBS application will be sent to. If you are filling out the DBS form on behalf of the candidate, please enter your email address here. Then you will have to select the workforce type from this drop-down box. Workforce type means what type of vulnerable groups your candidate is working with. For example, care workers who are working with vulnerable adults, you would select the adult workforce option. If your candidate is a teacher teaching children, you would choose the child workforce option. In this case, this candidate would be applying for a care worker job with vulnerable adults, so I select the adult workforce. For the position, from the drop-down box, you will have to select the right position for the candidate. If your candidate is an unpaid volunteer, you can click yes here, and this means that you won't have to pay the government fee for this DBS check. Otherwise, please select no. Your company name will be pre-populated here. If you click copy to organization, it means that your organization name will be displayed on the DBS certificate. You will have to select an ID verifier from this list. ID verifier is the person who checks the candidate's ID and they confirm that they've seen the original documentation. Then you will have to enter the manager details. The manager will receive notification emails regarding the result of the DBS check, and if the ID verifier and the manager is the same person, you can click the copy to manager option. You will be able to add additional email addresses where the result notification email will be sent to. To receive email notifications, you will have to select the second option. Otherwise, you won't receive any email notifications. On the last section, you will have to select what type of DBS check you require for this candidate and what barred list information might be applicable for them. For this particular candidate, because they are a care assistant for adults, the enhanced DBS check would be required and the adults barred list information is applicable. Then you just have to click Save and Send, and the system will create a DBS application form for your candidate. On how to fill out a new DBS application, please check out our video on how to complete the DBS form.